Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to FamPay, focusing on the only current method available. Since direct integration isn't an option, you'll need to use an intermediary step. This involves moving your funds from PayPal to a bank account, and then from that bank account into your FamPay account. It's a two-step process, but quite straightforward once you understand the flow. First, open your PayPal app or visit the website and securely log in. Head to your Wallet or Balance section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. From there, select the option to transfer money to your linked bank account. You can choose an instant transfer for a small fee or a standard transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days at no additional cost. 14. Next, open your FamPay app and locate the Add Money button. Enter the specific amount you wish to transfer from your bank account. You'll then select your linked bank account or choose net banking as your preferred payment method. Confirm the transaction, and the funds will be successfully deposited into your FamPay account, ready for use. 15. Before you begin, ensure both your PayPal and FamPay accounts are fully verified to avoid any delays. Remember that instant transfers from PayPal may incur a small fee, while standard transfers are free. FamPay, designed for teenagers, supports various payment options including UPI, peer-to-peer, and card payments. This two-step process remains the most reliable way to transfer funds between these two platforms. 2, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.